Welcome to Joey's kitchen.
See, I got some extra aluminum, so I'm just gonna put it around the corners just to make sure there's, nothing gets out of it. Just get some aluminum padded corner. All right. Now we got our aluminum over there, and we got some over here. Just, I think that's a good enough amount of aluminum. Colin thought it was stupid, but then we have aluminum, and the super oven is heating up. It's a super oven. Look at the oven. Look at this. Nexus Series 250 Pod Norm. Black top. Feel it, black top. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Trying to put the aluminum back.
Did you gotta put the ham on it?
You gotta put the ham on it. I know which one's chewy.
It's freaking me out.
I like my ham marinated in pasta. Oh, I got all this thing. Gross in there. Alright, we got some ham, dude. We can just cook this ham right on up and we'll be cooking ham.
We got, hey, come on down to Tony's Scoop Shop in Hoboken, New Jersey. We got tons of spoons. Spoons, yeah. We got spoons, we got scoopers, we even got sporks for you weirdos out there. Come on down, dude. Right on South Street by the Bronx. Come on down, Hoboken, New Jersey, across the street from Carlos Bakery. Home of Carlo, he has a DUI, and that's why his show wasn't on for a few years. But it is now. Check it out. Not on TLC, on some other channel. Probably Esquire. Check it out at Spoon World. Spoon Hoboken, New Jersey.
Hoboken!
Ham. You cook that ham right on up and you'll have yourself some ham. Yes, please. I'm doing mozzarella sticks! Alright, we got ham cooking. Mmm, look at that grease!
Can I go?
Can you go?
Hey, good evening. Welcome to Colin's Cooking. So now we got some good cooking coming at you. We got some nice honey baked ham coming at you. Got another thing coming at you too.
What?
Heating up some pasta in a microwave. It's gonna be like Rome. Just entered your tongue.
Italy. Jam this in there.
Alright, welcome back to the Cooking Show.
I'm blind.
Ah, there's so much juice. It's pretty good.
Ham. Water. Put this here. Get out of here now. When are we gonna eat this?
I don't know how much to cool down for.
I don't know. We need a plate or something. Yep. Yep. That's ham.
stew.
A pinch of salt and laughter too.
A scoop of kids to add the spice.
A dash of love to make